Hey, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M13 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, go into settings and tap on notifications. Over here scroll down a bit and tap on more. Now you need to click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like Chrome. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. But you can always just tap on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!